Say thank you, Papa. Very good.
Good job. Did you know Papa gave you a truck? You can get a Temple box for all the toys. I wish we could get a signal. I'd call it from here.
I bet you can get a signal here.
Do you have your cell phone? I gotta grab mine so we can call it. There we go. Look at that, Savannah. It's your new car.
There you go. Come check this out.
It's your new car. She's excited. That's Savannah's new car. You can drive it. Or truck. What do you want to call it? A truck?
Yeah, look at that. Now you gotta watch that pedal right there. That makes it.
Whee!
There you go. You're running.
Woo! She's doing it. If I could stop zooming in too much.
You gotta move this back and forth to steer, and this makes it go. Okay, so press down on the pedal and hold this. Put your hands here.
She is having a good time.
Put your hand right there.
I don't know if you can see her smiling, but she is happy.
Okay, now push down with your foot. Can you do it?
Push. Push. Good job. Woohoo! That's a grin. That is a Savannah grin.
Come on, drive to me.
Come on, baby. Come this way.
Push down with your foot. Keep it down. You gotta push down and keep it down.
Come on, push it. Hold it down.
This foot over
Push,
here.
push, push, push. I'm trying to figure out which foot to push with. She's so excited she doesn't know what to do.
What you want to do? You want to take this foot? See that? See this right here? You got to push on that.
Come on, baby.
Push down. There you
Good
go.
job. You're driving. Woohoo! She is laughing. Whoop. We're going to go in a circle now. She is just laughing.
There you go. Keep doing it. Push.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
You got to help it back up here. Push with your foot. Push down. Push down with this foot.
Savannah's laughing and the dog's crying. That's funny.
That's one of the things about a four-wheeler.
Got hung up on a tree limb.
Hung up on stuff.
You're doing a good job, Savannah. Woo!
Let's do this way.
Oh, we're spinning. Yeah, good job. She is laughing. Yeah.
Push down. Keep it pushed.
Good job. You're doing it all by yourself.
There you go. Just hold it down.
Keep pushing.
You got to push with your foot. Almost.
See, I'm trying.
A little further.
I'm trying.
Here, put your foot there. There you go.
Again.
Watch out for that tree.
It's hard to shoot both at the same time. Still camera and video. You are doing it, girl. Good job. Watch the tree.
Hey, push down with your foot.
Good job, again. Are you saying again?
Yeah.
Let me get a good picture first. Savannah, smile.
Look up and smile.
Good job. Whoops.
The horn doesn't work.
What? Has it got a stop in it or something? Look at her go. There's a tree ahead.
Just gonna miss it.
Good job, Savannah. I think she steered. Good job, baby girl. You are doing it. Good job.
There you go. There you go.
Savannah. We're gonna get lots of. You want to do it? I've been talking to it the whole time. Look at her go.
I did.